Is it recording? Perfect. Oh. What is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is my workshop, and today we are going to be fixing the lower guard on this 60-volt Dewalt circular saw. By fixing, I mean replacing. So I borrowed this saw from a friend to use in a barn tearing out old boards. During that process, one of the boards came off the wall, fell onto the saw. The only thing that broke was this thumb guard that is used to lift the safety out of the way. It doesn't seem like there's a good way to glue that back on with any kind of JB weld or anything. So I'm making this video to show you guys how I've done it and see whether or not it's easy enough for just anybody to do. The part was only $30. I'm not sure what the labor would have cost if we had taken this right into the store. I got this replacement lower guard from Wiseline. The reason that I just got the part instead of taking the saw in, because we need the saw and we can't be down a saw right now. It works the way it is, just not effectively. We're gonna go ahead and change this. First things first, battery off of it. Okay, next thing that I see is this stopper and this snap ring. I just modified these a little bit so they're smaller, whatever, that's fine. So here we are, we got this spring back here. It's looped over itself 3 times. There we go, whole thing just lifts straight up. And the spring is not that springy, so it goes in that hole. Cool, so there's the broken one. Get this spring out for a second, and while we're in here, take the new guard, hook this little guy in here. I'm gonna put this pin in that hole. I'm looking through the bearing hole, dropping it in there, and setting this guy on there. Now I'm going to put this stopper back in this hole. There we go. Set this back on top a little bit by hand so that I know that it's not cross-threaded. There is our thumb guard back installed, all that's attached, and our washer. Beautiful. Alright, so there you have it, folks. If your saw was broken the same way as mine is, where it's got the thumb lever somehow snapped off of, it is fairly simple as long as you have snap ring pliers and a set of Torx bits or Torx screwdrivers. It is fairly simple to do it yourself. I didn't read any tutorials or instructions on this, so I just kind of looked at it, figured out what I needed to do, and tried to do it, and it was not that hard. So if this is something that you guys are thinking about doing yourself to either save some money on a repair fee, or you just need to have your saw every night, go for it. Just order the part, because it's not that hard. The only one thing to make sure you do is know which saw you have. Right on the back here, it says DCS 575, and then there's a type below that. It says type 1, 2, 3, whatever. That might make a difference. The guy who sold me the part said that that's kind of important information because some parts are different on them. So just keep that in mind too when you're ordering it. It was a fairly quick job. I think this entire video was the entire elapsed time of actually doing this, so let's see. How much raw footage was there, editor? That is how long this entire project took. That's modifying the snap ring pliers and figuring it all out, discovering what parts are where. That's the entire amount of time. So if you have the right size snap ring pliers, it might take you less time. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out. Also, thank you to everyone who supports me on Patreon. That is awesome. It does help with these videos. It goes straight back into these videos. Whether it's tools or material, it goes straight back into these videos. It does really help. So I appreciate that. Thank you guys. And you also, for $2 on my Patreon, you get to see all the videos 2 days early. That's going to be it for this one, guys. We'll see you guys on next time. Peace out.